Look at them curls, girl. What? Who not gonna be slaves?
Still pretty, check. Keep hosing, check. Run up a check. Get money, check.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an initial review on some hair that I just ordered. Yes, I ordered this with my own money. No, this is not hair that was sent to me, and I will just be reviewing this, so it will be an honest opinion. Even if they sent it to me, it will be honest. Because I'm and I got 22, 24, 26, 28, and a 20-inch closure. And it came in this bag. And it came in this FedEx bag. So, okay. I got this hair from Ishow hair. Like, this is not my first time getting hair from them. I had some straight hair from them before. And that was in my last video. I did a review on that. That was like the 3-month review. Like, because I didn't really start my YouTube channel before. But yeah, that was the 3-month review. And this is just some new Ishow hair that I got. I love Ishow, y'all. Like, I really do love them. But I never tried no water wave from them. I tried water wave before. I love water wave. But usually, I never got it from Ishow before. But y'all, this is the 28-inch bundle. And it's really nice. I love the curl pattern to it. And it's nice and flowy. And the bundle does look really thick to be long. To be a long bundle. Because usually, like, you know, the longer you get, the longer the bundles get, the thinner it gets. But yeah, this looks pretty thick, as you can see. Like, but y'all, yeah, it's nice. It's a nice curl pattern, but it does have that corn chip smell to it. I mean, like, all AliExpress hair has corn chip smell to it. Like, I don't know what it is, but I think it's like the chemical they put in the hair. That's why I think all AliExpress hair is the same. Like, they all get it from the same place at the end of the day, because they all smell the same. So, like, they doing something the same. And these are 4 bundles that I got. And this is the closure. It did come with some eyelashes. I probably won't use them because I don't like the eyelashes they be sending with the bundles, because they be too thin. I like my eyelashes thick and voluminous. But yeah, this is the closure. I'm just gonna open it up for you guys. This is the closure. It's actually pretty nice, and it's not pre-plucked or parted, so I will have to part it myself. It's a free part, so yeah, I'm just gonna part it. I don't know what part I want, y'all. I feel like I always get a middle part when I get water wave. I'm gonna try a side part this time for back to school, you know. Yes, it is that season, sadly, y'all, sadly. But yeah, and I will need to bleach these knots, because y'all, these knots is not okay. And it did come with some nice little baby hairs, as you can see. But yeah, this is a 20-inch closure. And yeah, it comes with baby hairs. I'm going to have to customize that all up. And I will be making this into a wig unit. So if you want to see a video of that, please let me know down below. I ordered this hair on August 12th. And it arrived August 17th, which was yesterday. And actually, they sent it to my house, but I wasn't there. So I had to go pick it up from Walgreens. I guess they send it to, like, your nearest store or something. They sent it there, so I just got it today. And today's the 18th, so yeah. Basically, it came yesterday, but I wasn't here to get it. So I got it today. Look at them curls, girl. What? Who not finna be slayed for back to school? Who not finna be slayed? Oh, grrr. So y'all, this hair is really good. Like, I love the luster to it. Like, it's super soft. Like, this is super soft. But I noticed, like I said before, I get water wave, like, a lot. Like, this is going to be my 3rd time getting water wave. I noticed that when I get it, like, it's good, you know, for the first couple of weeks, you know, you all good. It's nice and flowy. But then, like, once it gets to, like, a month and a half, that's when it starts, like, it get matted in the bag. You got to do a lot to it. Water wave is a lot of maintenance. Like, you need high maintenance for that. I will be doing a video on how I maintain my hair and all that good stuff. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Like, the water wave hair, like, it's a lot you need to do to it to make it look nice. I mean, you can always just keep it like this, but I like that wet look, you know, the wet and wavy look. I love that look, y'all. So that's how I like to leave the house. But yeah, this is a really good deal, and it was 4 bundles in the closure, y'all. And guess how much I got this hair for? Y'all would not believe it. I got this hair for $165. 4 bundles in the closure, $165. Good deal. That's a good deal, y'all. Like, I was so happy when I seen that. I was like, okay, because usually AliExpress don't have the bundle deals no more. I've been looking for them. They don't have, like, you know, you got to add it to your cart one by one by one by one. But this is actually a bundle deal. I will be leaving the link down below in the description box. So yeah, check that out, guys. Yeah, this is some really good hair. It's some, well, from initially, it's some really good hair. Because I'm not going to send y'all off talking about it's some good hair. And I had the hair in for that long. Yes, I didn't even have the hair in yet. So yeah, I will be doing like a couple, like a month review and a week review, you know, to see how it's really holding up. So I will keep you guys updated on this hair. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that button right now, because girl, why not join the family? So yeah, thanks for watching.
Draco got that kickback. When they kick back, you can't get your shit back. In fact, it's that bitch.